Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you how to set your time zone in TradingView in 2026. So first of all, come here on tradingview.com, then log into your account if you haven't already. Now guys, if you are looking for the TradingView premium subscription discount, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. In this deal, you will get up to 80% off plus 1 month additional. Only around 2 days left in this deal, so make sure that you hurry up and explore the offers if interested. Now on this page, simply click on the option of products in order to launch the chart in front of you. Once you have your chart launched, in the bottom right hand corner of the screen you will see the option of time zone. When you click on the time zone option, you are going to see all of the time zones available here. So you can click on any one of these. For example, let's say I'm going to be clicking on the New York time zone. Now after clicking on it, it is now going to show you the candles as per the time zone that you have selected. So when you hover over to it, it will show the time and the date as per the time zone that you have selected here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So this way you will be able to set your preferable time zone in TradingView. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.